Now, while LG did send over the dual screen case, they also sent over a design scan. And this is the version that they sent over to me. And obviously, you know, I'm a big Rinky fan, so you look for coverage on that later. But this is a slim design scan specifically for the phone. It's got a matte feel to it. And it's got nice little textured bumps on the volume and power button. You'll see all the ports and everything lining up perfectly right there. And on the top, you'll see the microphone cut out. This will give you some lip protection, like so. And then you'll have a little bit of logo here that says Design Scan right on the side of the case. I think that's pretty cool. And you got Design Scan inside of here. And you have obviously the cutout for your camera setup right there. Now these are actually slots right here where you can put a driver's license or something in there, or one credit card. I don't suggest that you put too many things in there because it will kind of stretch it out a little bit, but hey, it's gonna work, it works. So power button is nice and clicky on here. And let's get into the phone. Volume rocker, everything is looking pretty good. It's good. The voice assistant button, when you press it, I got it turned off, but when you press it, it'll launch the Google Assistant button. Laying it down on the table, again, you have that lay on the table design, so you lay your phone face down. I typically lay my phones face down, out of sight, out of mind. Don't want to be bothered sometimes with notifications and things like that, so that is why I do it. But this is going to be nice here for those that choose to pick up a design scan. This is just something that they bundled into the packaging for sending over the phone for review, to have some protection if you did not want to use this case full time. And some people probably won't want to use this full time because it's kind of plasticky and it's not the best material, but you do get this nice screen that you can take advantage of, and I think that's a huge plus. But other than that, this phone right here has been great. Again, look for other case reviews on this phone. It's fantastic. No complaints so far. We'll give you an update on the battery. I've completed a test with the screen attached full time, and now I'm going to work on having the screen detached from the case. It's going to be hard not to use my dual screen every day, but I'll just leave it up here in the office. That way I don't touch it. And we're going to use just the phone to see what kind of battery life I get out of this thing. Now, I got great battery life out of the case connected the entire time, but I'll follow with that later. So speaking of cases, this is a design scan, and I appreciate them sending this over. Thanks, guys. See you in the next one.